All right, here's our first unboxing ever on the channel. This is, oh, you're not supposed to see what it is. This is something we've been wanting for a while, but we didn't want to pull the trigger because it wasn't very affordable. But the prices had come down and they had a great sale. So I made a mistake and I opened the main box, but I'm gonna open up the second box that just came in. Did you get that? Bees behind the camera, and I haven't cut my fingers yet. Everybody knows I don't do well with knives. All right, if I pull this out, you'll know what it is. But here goes nothing. Hey, this one's kind of dented. Bam, baby! Solar panels. We've been deciding on, you know, if power goes off, and we've had power lightning hit us a couple of times this week, and we decided we have a generator, but if all power goes out, we can't get diesel, we can't get fuel, so what else? Solar. So we're gonna experiment with these guys. This box brings not one, damn, these things are heavy, but two. And it brings a manual, wire. I don't know how to use any of this stuff. But let me show you the main box. Let me put these guys over here out of the way. This is what came the other day. Jackery. Nope. Nope. There it is. A Jackery solar generator. The power bank and solar generator, the only difference is that one comes with solar panels, the other one is just the box. It comes in with a couple of cables. I should have unboxed it, but I was so excited. Power cable for the back and 12 volt. That's two ways of powering it up, AC, DC, or solar. And I charged it up. When it came in, it had 29%. And it's at 100%. It's got multiple outlets, 30 amp, whole bunch of 110 or 120, USB. It's got all kind of stuff on it. I gotta read up on it. But
what's this one? Oh,
the 12 volt.
Yeah.
Is that? I don't have my glasses. Is that input or output?
10, that doesn't say.
So it's probably output. And back here is where you charge this thing. I think these are the power, the solar panels. That's the 110. I don't know what the heck that is.
Input reset.
Oh,
it's the breaker.
Yeah, we're not resetting that. I wanted to hook them up to see how they work.
AC output reset too. There's the other breaker.
But it's kind of raining now, so I don't want to use it out there while it's raining. You're supposed to, oh, and they also gave me, this is a $70 case. I gotta call them because I don't think this thing fit. They gave it to me for free. Send me an email, a carrying case, which is pretty cool, but this guy is a little bigger than this case, so I haven't opened it up, so I can call them up and say, hey, did you send it to me for the right product? I'm not sure if it's for this guy or the 2000. But I'm gonna take the solar panels out and let's see if we hook one up and see what happens. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
We might need a medic. Hey.
Not saying do it.
I only cut my fingers when I'm filleting fish. What the heck? There you go. Yeah, this side. I'll tell you what, they're really nicely packed. Yeah. That's just, holy cow, there's more stuff. You hear that? That's not good. We've been having nasty lightning hits over here in the house. It must be all that seeding that they do. Oh man, look at that. We are set. Zombies attack. I got power for you, baby. What are these? Oh, this must be the feet. Whoa! Oh shit. I hope I don't break anything. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Put this up there. And they open up, I think like this.
That thing's big.
That's what she said. Didn't mean to do that, sorry. This is unedited. I don't edit anything. This says top. I think that's how it goes. I think I'm gonna need more space. And they lean back like this. This is cool. That's pretty neat. That thing is like 6 or 7 feet long.
It's definitely more than 6 feet.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then it comes with power and I don't know what. And the manual. We don't read manuals. Only when things don't work.
Don't lose it.
Oh, look. USB. USB-C. Sweet. It looks pretty simple. I think this goes on the back of the Jackery and this goes on the solar panel. Where on the solar panel? Hey! There's like a power button or something there. We'll find it. Okay, stop till we find it. Alright. This thing is huge.
That's what she said.
Alright. You're recording?
Yep.
Oh, B found it. It goes in there. So I'm gonna hook it up and see what happens. With all this rain and whatever, I don't think we got much sun, but hey. Oh, I think you have to have this off. Well, I don't know if you do or not, but I'm gonna turn it off like. No, dude, turn off. There we go. It's got no polarity, it's straight up. No, I guess
It does. No, it's got a little notch.
It's got a little notch on there, so you can't mess it up. Of course.
Can't see.
I didn't bring my glasses, so I can't see what the heck I'm doing. It's not that way. It's gotta be this way.
There it goes.
There we go. And then this guy goes to the back of this guy. That's easy enough. Let's turn them around. Oh, by the way, this thing is heavy. I think it says 70 pounds, but coño. I used to bench press 480 when I was younger. You know, there's no video or cell phones, so you gotta trust me. All right, let's see. I'm leaning it back, powering on. Let's see what happens, B. Is it charging? Something happened because
I don't think there's enough light.
I saw a little light come on.
No, that little light was on.
Well, if it doesn't work, we're gonna have to input. Nothing.
There's no sun.
You got a flashlight so I can shine, see if we get any kind of power on this thing. Well, we're gonna have to read the instructions. So once it stops raining, maybe we can get this thing going. I still got another panel that I gotta hook up. Man, this is gonna be sweet.
I'm sure it takes a little while to actually get some charge too. Probably won't show.
Well, I gotta go on their website and find out. Oh, my boxes are getting wet. Find out how long it takes to charge. I mean, I'm gonna drain it. I'm gonna drain some of it, and then put these guys out. Put it on tomorrow morning when the sun comes out. Put them out and see how fast they charge. This went from 29 to 100% probably like in, what was it, a half an hour? Probably like in half an hour with the AC hooked up. So it charges quick on AC power. And that's it. For now, we'll try it out. If there's any changes, we'll let you know. Okay, it's been a few days. We had that storm Debbie come by. We still have nasty winds over here, but thank God we're okay. She became a hurricane, I think, going into the panhandle. I finally got these guys out. We finally have some sun, and that little button that we talked about, I thought it was power button or something. I didn't have my glasses. It's really a dot that they put in there, and then you watch the reflection, I mean the shadow, and when you line up the shadow with that center dot, that's prime charging space. So I have them both out. I have the Jackery over here. I have it at 97%. Gonna hook these puppies up to the back on the input side. I don't have B over here doing the camera work, so this is a one-handed job. And I think that's all there's to it. Then you come over here. And I got nothing yet. All right, figured it out. The little animation over in Jackery says to connect this thing to the wire and then plug it in. It's got a little animation for both of those, but that's not how it goes. This is the 80/20 plug, and it goes without this adapter. I guess this is for the smaller units. So it's got them both in there. We don't have much sun, but we got power coming in. 141 watts, 139 watts. And it tells you in 0.9 hours it'll be fully charged. That's not too bad for not having any sun out here. All cloudy. But that's how it works. So now when we want to go camping and stuff, we got our generator, solar powered, and if the power goes out at the house, we can take care of that too. Hope you enjoyed that.